What if in an alternate dimension, Kanye West had married Yesenia Ramirez from 182nd instead of Kim Kardashian from Calabasas?
Hey, I'm home. What's good? I'm home. The genius is home. I am art. I am everything. I'm Nike. I'm Google. I'm home. What's up, Yesenia? How you doing? What's up, Yesenia? How you doing, motherfucker? That's what you come with? What's up, Yesenia? How you doing? I saw you on fucking TMZ, stupid. Talking all that stupid bullshit, motherfucker. Talking about shit was a choice and all that other dumb shit that you were saying. You know what? Van should have whooped your ass, my nigga, for real. I should have just let him whoop your fucking ass, stupid. I'm not gonna let you fuck up my money, motherfucker. I got these waist trainers. I got these flat T tummies on fucking IG, motherfucker. And you gonna fuck up my flow with your stupid bullshit? Nah, bro. Fuck out of here. But yo, you know what I'm saying? I'm just a free thinker, you know what I'm saying? Nah. Fuck out of here, motherfucker. You're gonna fuck up all my money and I'm gonna be tight, motherfucker. If I gotta go back to phlebotomy, I'm gonna give you $150, I swear to God, yo. Oh my God. These motherfuckers got me so stressed, yo. I gotta decompress, yo. I gotta listen to my boys, yo. I gotta listen to the motherfucking #1 podcast in the world, yo. This is episode 109. I'm gonna go into the bathroom and cry and listen to these niggas, bro, because they bring the heat. Yo, do the fucking drop us on, please. My God, before I get too stressed.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Episode 109.
Yeah.
It's your boys, the Bodega Boys in the building, live
right.
from 220 West 18th Street, the most dangerous
one.
studio in the world,
That's
Red Bull
right.
Studios. You hear the crystal clear clarity. Yes. 2 weeks in a row, you get the art again. You're ball back, you're lucky.
Yeah,
you're welcome.
you're welcome.
Mwah, kiss your nana on the mouth
That's
and pull
right.
the hairs out her chin.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's your boy. Desus Nice, a.k.a. Desus Vice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket State Fat like Cheerio, a.k.a. Chris Ass Whistling, Eli Libby, Bull Chipotle Gully, Slow Down, I Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, Desus H. Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo, Mil Novacenta going off, McKill going off, the Juve Boss. MC Local Google P, pulling up for 40 with Shorty. A.K.A. do not talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't know you.
Don't conversate with me, man. I'm just in here. I connected my Lyft to my Delta miles. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to fly out to Orlando at the end of the month. Don't fuck it up for me.
I mean,
The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss, son. These is Rossi and the Jamaican Jew.
oh, very nice.
Next
That
year in
sounds
Jerusalem. All right?
All
We're building the embassy there. How you feel?
That's right, birthright.
Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Gumpasa, Young Chacunery, Dr. Cunery, a.k.a. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Que lo que? Hey, you see my Yankees? They started 11-2. You know, last time they did was 1998.
It's Gary's raking, Papi.
Okay, the Mets, they gone down. Bad.
right.
Vice K. Makazaka, 3 Phone Jones, Jesus X, Machina, J. Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, Dilute.
Yes.
One more time.
3
Dilute.
times.
Just holding the mic out over Sunsplash.
Dilute.
I love this song. Leonardo Trapio, Mr. 240p, because I like my peanut blurry.
Yeah.
DJ Wooley, if you're listening to Washed FM. Up next, we got 4 hours of Compton's Most Wanted. Straight up, Luke. The Curry Goat. These Spicer, Jamal Hasbro, and the Bronx, Celine Dion. Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno. You can't contain no human memory. Word, the Jaw. Young Aaron, the Racer Provocateur. Headwood, Bud Cuss. Nelson Bangdella. Joe Can't See Me.
Yes.
Vladimir Booth and the Human Words, melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich. You want to say it with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, Matt Maccabee, but I got that cucumber.
Yeah.
The juices are pressed.
Yeah, but your boy.
Oh, boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, Noir, Cup of Noodles, the Prince of Peckham,
Oh my
the Fashion Nova Casanova. William 8 cents, 5 cents, $10. Forget the small change.
No. What you want? What you want?
Big money. I'm talking about the ATM won't let you take no more money out. That's like $200 in America. That's like $2 million in
Yes,
Jamaica.
you already
what
know.
I'm saying? Just mad currency. Gotta put it in your cart, run away with a goat. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga. Catch me at square one, top left.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
Man's is Marv.
You know what I'm saying?
You see how they went bad on my Raptors?
Yo, Toronto took a L. Sorry.
I'm here in real life. Mr. Southpaw, so all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda. It's me, Sunny D. David Urban. These expanses. These is Red Bottom. These is Bloody Shoes. Your boy Smokeem Noah, still in the jungle.
That's right.
Andrew Koodanen.
Yeah.
A.k.a. the Junior Energy God.
Sit down, pundit, charge
You know what it
wine
is.
pon it.
Yo, call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze.
Oh,
Mr. Shopping that street, you
shit.
the bad breezes like I'm Yeezy. Please believe me. The Black Asiatic addict crack your back like automatic crap. Mr. La Marina Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor, a cold demeanor, a.k.a. your problematic bay. I have problematic views. I think the Raptors are coming back. Mwah.
Damn, that's a Mississauga connection. It's strong. Yo.
That's the blue Red Bull, baby.
That's like on Lil Wayne used to flick the lighter.
Yeah. You know what's coming. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag 5, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, a.k.a. Skirt. Load I have to curb and hit a kid. I don't give a fuck and keep it moving.
You killed my dad.
Yo, I don't care. Say hit run, nigga, I'm out. A.k.a. I'm a fucking baby. I fucking man. You know what I'm saying? Check out my dad. A.k.a. Yo, I swear to God, check the guest list again. I'm on it right next to Tyrone the Scammer, nigga. Fuck you, me. He's in there using my debit card. Oh, nah, I'm gonna sniff this nigga when he get out. Fuck that, yo. Desus, chop that nigga. A.k.a. CC Dad Bathia, a.k.a. I play Nintendo Switch blindfolded on 5 edibles to impress my kids, nigga, because I'm the fucking dad of the year. A.k.a. Bench Smack Me Yumbo, a.k.a. Dick in your baby Mutombo.
Dick.
You know, come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me unless you bring me 20 goats. Okay? Motherfucker.
I'm counting them too. Don't try to nigga, don't come here show on goats.
Nah.
All right, niggas try that shit last week. 2 for 5. You know, cop and go, keep it moving.
Yeah, talking about I got 18 and one with 2 heads. Nah, nigga, that shit don't count. Fuck out of here.
Pass that goat, go.
That shit's too bony, nigga.
Dap the nigga up, put the goat in his pocket. Like, go, keep it moving, keep it moving.
Yeah. Cop and goat. A.k.a. fucking Bartles antenna so smooth I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the rental. A.k.a. the Dominican Dondada Dagman Daddy duro dímelo mami chula que estamos en chapadera. A.k.a. Romeo Santos so zany let me black out. A.k.a. Lighten El Dutchie. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke ass ain't got 5. So don't even pull up to the cipher, bro. That's it, bro. That's it. We done told you 10 episodes in a row. 20 or better, B. Match or get the fuck out. A.k.a. Tom Brazy got your girl. Your girl got my balls type deflated, but we still gonna win this W. You know what I'm saying? We still gonna take it. A.k.a. feel the ass and I want to explore your cosmos, man. Especially the Milky Way that's in your panties after we finish. You know what I'm saying? I'm a nasty nigga. A.k.a. Frino Messi, MVP of Gelato. A.k.a. Daniel Bedingfield, I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. A.k.a. Joe Hookah, I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. Yo, you know what I'm saying? And if you see me and I go to go with a fake butt, don't make it hot, B. Come on, just keep it moving. Keep your eyes to yourself. A.k.a. Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I'll replace your penis with an errant Lego piece I found at Mero's house so you jive turkey, can realize that you can't fuck with me, motherfucker. A.k.a. I'll open your medicine cabinet. You know who it is, man. It's the Zed, man. It's A.k.a. Rico Sabroso. A.k.a. Baby Newport niggas got garbage on the way. A.k.a. Nino Brown shut the car down. A.k.a. live from Easy Pickens at Bay Plaza. It's the East Tremont Stevie B. I want to be the one your DD is fucking. A.k.a. pulling it from 40. It's your boy, Bormelos Anthony. Bang! And if you, mate, my flight just landed in a little jet land. Please forgive me for my soul voice, but it's the plantain sipping over in the sky. Someday you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a fucking $100 on my person and no shirt.
No shirt.
But fuck it, we out here. Yo, listen, if you see me in
Jimmy
Target,
said to do.
Yeah, he said it. He said it. So that's the motto for 2019. If you see me in Target with my eyes redder than cat genitals, sampling more shit than DJ Premier, nigga, respect my agency. Approach me like a motherfucker earth sign mammal, you coward. A.k.a. I so fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off 409 and Sprite remix. Talk about whoop, whoop, skirt, skirt. When I was little, I ate dirt. You know what I'm saying? Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. ¿Qué fue? ¿Qué es lo que llegó el Titi FIFA? Dime a ver, coño, sigue donde para por todos lados. Déjale de más bonito, que yo voy a seguir sonando por todos lados. Así que matica y traga lento. No te sofoques, Palomón. Matamos el show en Boston. Llamen a los bomberos para poder apagar la tarima. Yay!
Wow.
Episode 109. Fuck. Oof. And this is coming out after we bodied the Boston
After
shows.
we go to the Boston show.
You know what I'm saying? Slater Wilbur 2 nights on the road, nickel.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying? Undefeated at away games.
You know
what I'm saying?
We coming through heavy. Coming through heavy, boss. I hope you got your supplies of chowder.
I hope you're ready.
You're not playing. Oh, I actually thought, I thought the Yankees and Red Sox were playing this weekend. That'd be too much. Imagine us.
Woo! And I got Yankees offers too on
They would have probably tried to kill us. Nah, it's always good energy. Boston always shows love to come out there. Don't forget, go to Bodega Sushi. We got tickets available for other shows. We're coming to your neck of the woods.
You know what I'm saying?
Just added, we got a new 4-night stay over in Paramus. Catch us at the Howard Johnson off of Route 4.
You know what I'm saying?
We
out here. We out here. Catch us. Yo,
there.
Free continental breakfast, yo, with the show. You
one roll per person. I'm checking.
Stop playing.
Nigga, if I catch you with 2, I'm chopping you.
Yo, stop it. You know what I'm saying? We got the little fake cinnamon rolls. They're not even the real joints.
We got an egg bar, but it's not real eggs. How you want your eggs? Oh, yeah, me too. Next.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here.
Take this
You know what? I would like
eggs.
some cheese on it too, but ain't no eggs here, so keep it moving. Yeah. Been a wild week. Don't want to say crazy, that's problematic.
Yeah, it is.
But Kanye's been kind of crazy out there. You know what I'm saying? He's been talking. He's off the Lexapro.
He's wilding.
He's wild at this point.
I think he's really telling the truth when he said that rhyme about the Lexapro. I think he's dead ass. Like I mean, at
this point, it's just like what? Like he kind of he burned through all his clout or whatever.
Yeah.
He burned through. Now it's not. Now you can't take him serious.
Nah.
Now it's just like, oh, he's just doing wild shit.
Now his fans are like,
he's just kind of like you hear this music, you're like, oh damn.
oh man.
I mean, he made a song called Mr. Old Kanye, so maybe he missed the old Kanye. Maybe he inside he can mentally feel he's turning. He no longer control. Ooh, scary.
Let's have a seance, B. You know what I'm saying? Bring all the spirits of your ancestors back.
No. That is a Babylon thing. Don't be calling on spirits. Now. Don't go pick up a Ouija board. Don't do that. Don't.
What's it Kanye with a Ouija board? Like, I'm a genius.
Yeah, I'm a genius.
Like, forcefully spelling I'm a genius with the Ouija board.
You got both hands on it. It just goes to, like, the strums from Black Skinheads, like, boom, 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 boom. Like,
oh, shit. What the fuck?
Oh, shit. No, don't do that shit. Don't do that. Don't do that, man.
I'm shook.
Oh, shit.
That nigga's been wild. And then Kim jumped off the cliff, too, and was like, yeah, I support my husband. I'm like,
what else she got?
I mean,
they probably sit in a room together all day talking about same shit, coming up with, like, theories and shit about, you know why Lego Man is yellow?
Why?
Because the black Legos go to the Duplos.
Oh my God, Kanye, you are a genius.
You gotta think about it like that.
You're
like,
a genius.
they're Lego bricks.
Right.
Now, le and go.
Oh.
The two together, right?
Yeah.
What do they come through?
They stick
Egos.
Egos. Oh my
the
God.
waffles. They round like the earth.
Oh,
so basically, I am the syrup on the earth. Buy my sneakers.
Wow.
Fuck Ray J.
Oh my God. I think my butt just floated up into my brain.
Oh man!
God damn!
And your boy Giuliani's back. My God, that's Giuliani's music.
Oh God! He couldn't wait. He couldn't wait to come back out.
He came back and was mad sloppy.
You know he couldn't be gone for too long, man. The motherfuckers like that, they just fester and like just sit in the corner and wait for the opportunity to jump out. Like,
He did the Mike Francesa. He was like, "Fuck that, retirement? Nah, I'm back.
I'm back, motherfucker."
But even his kids don't fuck with him, so that's that
says a lot. If your kids are like, "Yo, you're a piece of shit," like publicly. And you were a government official, like
you were mayor.
You were mayor, fam.
You were mayor. This is not.
You were mayor, therefore you had money. Therefore,
like
your kids have money.
If it was Rudy, if his name was Rudy Martinez, the janitor in my building, and I knew his family didn't fuck with, I'd be like, your pops be trying. He's a hardworking spot. You know what I'm saying? It's rough. He came here.
He made a lot of sacrifices.
You know what I'm saying? That happens.
You know what I mean?
But Rudy Giuliani, you were in Gracie Mansion, man.
Yeah, come on, my G.
You're supposed to do better than that, man.
Come on, man.
What's wrong with you, man?
What's wrong with you, man?
We came together to build an empire, man.
This is the whole episode of Terrence Howard.
This is Terrence Howard, man.
Come on,
Live
man.
from 233rd.
You know what I'm saying? 220 West 18th Street, Crystal Clear, Carity, Maine.
That song took the drop, man. Chipotle is nice. East Cape is right.
Yeah.
Yo, shout out to Chipotle. Boom, 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 boom.
Yo, they finally gave you your just
Finally gave me my Chipotle card. Yeah.
How you give Big Sean one before him?
Mm-hmm.
Like
God.
He's been
I read the parameters of it. I see why. They're just like, this nigga's gonna use it.
Oh, that's what it is.
This is gonna use it every day.
Yeah, because it's like, yo, this is really unlimited. Is it really unlimited? Like every time, anytime, no matter what? Like.
Well, I mean, within like 1 meal per day.
Within reason?
You could do like cater events with it, but like you can't just go in there and be like, yo, let me get 50 burritos.
You can get a free catered event?
Yeah. So
technically you could get free 50 burritos delivered to your house.
Nah, that doesn't work like not to your house. Like at a center. Listen,
it has to be an expo center. It's like smash fine print. Must be at a VFW.
No, you can't. They would go bankrupt. I mean, it's a good look. Like if I had gotten this like 3 years ago, I'd be dead now. I'd be huge. Now I don't. Like, try to eat. Just try to eat.
We just have to do the shit from your crib and shit because you can't leave the room. They'd have to like break the wall down to get you out.
So now that's my two greatest possessions. I have a Chipotle card and I have a Top Tomato card for unlimited fruit on Boston Road.
Oh, shit.
Damn, you don't know Top Tomato?
Shout out to Top Tomato.
Ah, that's an old Wash reference. All my West Indians are like, yes, they had good apples.
Yo, yes. Fresh, everything fresh.
Fruit not bruised.
Yo. Damn.
Man.
I'm trying to think of like the oldest supermarket chain I know, and it's
What's the oldest store you could think of?
Besides Woolworths, but Woolworths has been around since like 1930s.
Yeah, I mean, in your lifetime that you remember going to is no longer around.
Grand Union.
Alexander's.
Oh shit, Alexander's on Fordham, nigga.
Yeah,
Yo!
the flagship store at the top of the hill.
Niggas had Conway across the way and shit.
You just kept going up Fordham. It was at the top. You was like, yo, is that a temple?
Yo, you can see the sign from Mad Deep. Niggas supposed to get up the train.
It's a big A. We got to buy the Alexanders and bring it back.
Yo, we got to buy the Alexanders in the Lowe's Theater and bring both of them shits back. Like, yo.
That Alexander's, it came to like a Verizon store or something.
Yeah,
I don't even go up. Because once Alexander's closed, there was no reason to go that high up on Fordham Road. Unless you was like going super. But then they had cars and shit by then.
Shit is different. Like, I don't want to say the Bronx is getting gentrified, but they're definitely trying to turn it into the one of those business improvement districts.
I mean, they have to because
You know
people
what I'm
around there got nothing else to do. It's like just an empty building and an armory. Like you gotta have a little something going on in the Bronx.
Yo, shout out to niggas getting light on Fordham Plaza. Just go on YouTube and YouTube get light Fordham Plaza and enjoy yourself for hours and hours and hours.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo.
Culture, nigga.
Shout out to your boy Ben Simmons.
You know what I'm saying? Word.
With your man.
Yeah, he's out here.
He's out here with his 1 point.
You know what I'm saying?
1 point last night.
1 point. One whole point.
Yeah. So they were saying out loud that he has many points as Tanashi sold albums.
Oh!
I was like, God damn. Yeah, I think this is ruthless. I can't make that joke. I know her. Okay? Come on, don't be disrespectful. He gonna come back though. But LeBron was on some other shit yesterday.
Yo, LeBron is on some.
LeBron was on some other shit. And not only that, just the disrespect Drake had yesterday. Because this is coming out Monday. I don't know if you guys still care, but fuck it. We're going to talk about it now.
Yeah, it's playoffs.
After Rihanna was like, yo, Drake told me he loved me and I don't fuck with him no more.
Yeah,
and like,
yeah.
we're not friends, but we're not enemies.
Ice.
And then he got to come home and watch LeBron decimate, eradicate
the Raptors.
He made the Raptors extinct again.
And
It's disgusting.
they're getting smarter. No, they're not, because LeBron's coming through flushing and stepping on your whole team's chest.
Oh, man.
Yo, I'm telling you, man.
Yeah, Drake just went home and just like threw down his covers and shit.
He's like, fuck
This
man.
honey and shit.
Nigga just threw his duvet off the bed. Like, I don't care.
Nigga didn't even sleep with the top sheet on.
Nah.
Savage mode.
He said, fuck the flat sheet, bro.
Damn.
I'm sleeping right on top of the comforter, and I'm keeping my socks on.
Whoa. Out of control.
Out of control. The same socks I had on with my shoes. Didn't even change.
Man. Yankees is looking good. Like Yankees
oh,
looking
yeah.
real good.
Oh,
But it's still early. It's still just May. Let's not get too excited because remember the Mets were looking great.
Yeah.
Mets were looking great. Mets
Yeah,
fell
but that's
apart
the
in
MO.
like 2 days.
Yeah, that's the whole. That's what they do.
You know, don't count your eggs before they hatch.
Yo.
I believe is the
That's the
colloquialism
colloquialism. Yeah, it is.
used by Metro North riders. When you go to get your fresh farm eggs from where? Stu Leonard's.
That's
hey,
right.
What's up? It's your boy Desus Nice.
Hey, and I'm the kid Mero. We're out here. We're loving Stu Leonard's.
Where do you
fresh
buy your eggs from?
Stu Leonard's, the only place to get the fresh, best cage-free eggs in the world.
When I'm on I-95 looking at foliage, I like to go to Stu Leonard's and pick up some eggs. They're available in small, large, double, and extra large. We even have brown eggs, you know, if you're mixed.
Hey, you know, if you like that sort of thing. Me,
It's up to you.
I'm not a huge fan of the Moulignan eggs, but they also have an incredible Italian wine selection. Mwah, molto bene.
It's May. Join us for May 4th. May the 4th be with you. All our mozzarella cheese is shaped like Star Wars, 10% off.
Ma,
Only
oh.
at Stu Leonard's. Exit 33.
Manja.
They're back. We don't want to. Please stop referring to
Please
us.
stop. Please.
How many
Please.
brands
They're
have-
gonna send this to C&D like, yo, stop talking about
How
us.
many bands have? They're like, please stop referencing us. I know Mike Francesa never wants because Mike Francesa. People listen to him not for the reasons he thinks people listen to him.
No.
We're just sending people that way.
Yo.
Stu Leonard's, Narcan. I
Oh,
mean, we've
God.
raised a lot of awareness
You know what I'm
there,
saying?
but
Shout out to them.
you know.
Mike Francesa is like the Tommy Wiseau of like sports talk radio. Like people, like he thinks he's like, yo, I'm dead ass serious. Like I'm the Pope. Like
Yeah.
and everybody's just sitting on the radio like, yo, this dude's a maniac.
You know what I just realized? After all this time of Mike Francesa being on the air, the first 2 words of the song from Mike Francesa show is what?
Mike's on.
Get it? It's a double entendre. Mike's on, and the mic is on.
Oh,
Wow.
Mike's on.
Mike Francis is like
Sports
triple
radio.
entendre. Don't even ask me how.
You know what I'm saying? I'm just out here
You know what it is. First time, long time.
doing my thing. You know,
You know what it
I
is.
can't leave sports radio alone. The game needs me.
It's the hand that writes without the pen. Yo, Francesa.
Yo, he don't write shit.
Yo, Mike.
That's right.
That's right. It's your boy. Your boy Francesa's loco.
Right. Dynasty. Only Psalms I read was on the arms of my Moulignons.
1 a.m. catch me in the fridge. 2 a.m. I'm back in the fridge.
Mike Z. Yo, he's out here. Mike Carter, bomb harder.
You know what it is. Gabagool, you know I got it. Look at La Marita shirtless. Man, pasty like,
Fucking Dollar Greco standing next to him like Rick Ross and shit.
Oh, I'm like, damn, I can't believe Francesa cheated on Beyonce. Beyonce just doing mad songs at Coachella. Like, I can't believe Mike Francesa, you cheated on her.
Piece of shit. He's
They
like,
come out, do Crazy and Love, be all out of breath and shit.
yeah.
He's doing drunken love and shit. He's like, yeah.
So crazy
be all
right
night.
So crazy right now. Steve, give me that Diet Coke. It really is too crazy right now. I need my ass tame.
Yo, Give it up for my mic. Give it up for my Beyonce Francesa. She's like, ladies, first time, long time. Like, okay, the whole Coachella performance is about the Yankees. All right,
I fuck with this. All right.
This is a lot of like gyrations. She's like chewing tobacco and all the dancers spit out at the same time. I like this. I fucks with this. I fucks with this.
If you want to win, call up Gleyber Torres.
Hey. Run percentage.
On base percentage.
If you like, you should have got it to cybernetics. Cybermetrics.
Shit.
Man.
Only on this show will you get a fucking baseball stat Beyonce crossover, my G.
Only here.
Only here.
Who else?
Who else?
But WB Mason.
Your fave can never.
Okay.
Yeah, wow.
We'd like to welcome the new New York Knicks head coach,
Oh, shit.
David Fizdale. Take that data.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take that data. That's my man's quotable.
That's
They
it.
got the Wild Gentle paper slam. Like, take that for data.
Okay.
You jerks.
I respect him.
I'm upset. Shout out to him, though.
That's a good look.
Yeah. If you could cuss out a whole press corps.
It's a good look because, like, I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm excited because you know what? People are saying that he's going to come turn around the Knicks.
Yeah.
And what I'm excited for is to watch the slow, decrepit rot of everything the Knicks touch turning to shit.
It's crazy.
Wipe away the smiles and the passion from his face as we just turn on him like cancer turning on cells. And watch. And like, I want to say like 20 episodes from now, be like, yo, fuck David Fizdale. Get David Bizdale.
Yo, fucking
get him out of here.
Get him out of here, yo.
P.U. More like
Yeah,
Fishdale.
Trisdale, because he's getting fucked every time he steps on the court.
Whoa. Fire Fizdale. Fire Fizdale. He's like, how? He's like, this is summer league,
fam.
This is not even
preseason.
We haven't even we don't have a full roster for
Fam,
Fire
fam.
Fizdale. Fire Fizdale. I got a paper bag over my face. It was just like,
yo, how'd y'all get in here, man?
He has a terrible record. He has no wins.
Yo, this is a scrimmage. This season ain't even
we haven't played any regular. We have the worst record in the game.
Yo, it's the team against the team. This is literally a scrimmage.
Fire him. It's his fault Charles Smith didn't make them layups.
Yo, not for nothing though. The Knicks do prosper under black coaches. If you look back in history, I just said that with my chest. I have no proof for that because
the term "prosper" in Knicks is just like.
Think about it. The last good
you know
season,
what? Knicks prospering is like your auntie, and you call me. You be like, "Oh, you still got custody of your kids? Oh, you doing good?
You doing good?
You doing
baby.
good?
Okay,
It's
baby.
2 weeks now.
2 weeks. Oh,
Listen,
good,
one day at a
baby.
time, mommy. One day at a time.
Only one of them got.
I'm a lot of candle for you. Bless up.
Bless.
Okay.
Bless. Stay blessed, my brother. Damn.
But no, like now we got a black coach.
Yeah, that's what's it.
It's cool.
He can relate to the players.
I don't. You know what? Now we can see. Is it the coach or is it the players?
Yeah.
Now we'll see.
Now
We'll see how he uses Frank. You know what I'm saying?
what I'm
We'll see
saying?
what happens when, of course, my man Prince Stapps comes back. See what that ACL looking like.
Oh, shit. Just looking like water.
See what happens in 3 years when the Knicks re-sign Melo
Yeah, right. You know he's coming back.
for the max contract.
You know he's coming back. Yo, because I interviewed the nigga after the post
Once a Knick, always a Knick.
And they were like, yo, how do you feel about coming off the bench next year? And then the nigga said, out of the question.
I love that
My
confidence.
man's putting up 10 points a game talking about coming off the bench. out of the question. Love Mellow B. He's a true New Yorker.
Man.
You know what I'm
Yo,
saying?
shout out to Tracy Ellis Ross.
Shout
Great
out to her,
interview
you know what I'm
yesterday.
saying? Yo, the God.
She
You know what I'm
massaged the beards.
saying? Yeah. You know what I'm
You know
saying?
what I'm saying? The stock went up.
The stock went up crazy. Shout
Stock
out to
went
her.
up.
You know what I'm saying? And it's funny because I'm like, yo, you're wild famous. She's like, I'll stop it. You're famous. So I was like, nah. We're not Tracy Ellis Ross famous.
Tracy
So,
Ellis Ross famous.
yeah, like
She's funny too.
Yeah, you're hilarious.
She's hilarious.
You know what I'm saying?
What else is going on? We had a good week, you know. On our, it's still used to it. We've got to plug it. Our illustrious show, nothing but illustrious guest, number one show at late night.
That's right.
Mero, the number one show at late night on Viceland. You know, there's Monday,
baby.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Give us our Emmy. We know where your kids is at.
Come on. Stop
Yeah.
playing. Stop playing.
It's 10 p.m. Do you know where your kids are at?
Yeah, they're in Scarsdale.
Duct taped in a Brooklyn basement.
That's right. In Scarsdale. Somewhere.
That's actually not as scary because now, like when Biggie said it, duct taped in a Brooklyn basement, he's like, "Fuck!" They're like,
Oh my God.
like in pink houses,
Yeah,
or flat.
no.
Now you're just like, oh, they might be.
They're in
They might be.
Williamsburg.
Oh, no, they're duct taped in
a
the
townhome.
Williamsburg. They're in the basement of the White Hotel. It's one of
Yeah.
the mystery rooms.
Yeah.
it's a group project.
Yeah,
They're
it's
trying to
like
solve it.
it's like
Yeah.
it's like real life.
No,
Clue.
you can look. It's on. She's Facebook living it
Yeah,
right now. You
yeah,
can
they're
see.
cool. That's
Hi,
cool.
Maggie.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi,
Hey.
Dad.
Would you? Hey, do you want another kind bar?
Kind bar. Nah, but for real, what do you call it? Williamsburg. They got the little booth you put your dog in for the like when you go into the store. It's like air conditioned and all that shit.
An air conditioned.
Air conditioned booth.
Dog. Damn. Shout out to Williamsburg.
Air conditioned.
Damn.
Listen, you got
Is that what full gentrification looks like? Air conditioned booths for
your
dogs?
dog. Yeah.
Damn. That's
I
like
mean-
mad. Is that self actualization of fucking gentrification? God damn. That's like the top of the top.
I guess it's self-accusation of gentrification. I believe that was the name of a J. Rue the Damager album. Just mad primo beats on it. I'm like, yo, this is real.
This shit is real.
This shit is real.
He's like, yo, mathematics, arithmetic, algebra. You're like,
Chips that power your Sega, now power your.
nuclear bombs. Ha. I'm like, yo, wow.
That was a joint though.
Yeah, that shit.
I got stuck in a real hip hop wormhole yesterday because I was looking up Screwball. Remember them?
Oh wow.
Fuck all you bitch ass niggas. And they got
Fabian.
Who Shot Rudy. And off of that, it was just down. Next thing I know, man,
You're listening to Cheat Lee and shit.
I had a fucking headband on with a fucking Philly blunt right here. Threw on my fucking Columbia rain jacket.
Yo, the bugaboo nigga, you that freestyling in front of fucking Mitchell houses.
I was like, yo, throw on the Benjamin's beat. Throw on the Benjamin's beat. I gotta get my cipher ready for Tony Thoka's 50 MC cipher.
Yo, we out to Jimmy's, yo, after this, yo. I heard.
Matter of fact, yo, Off the Books by Beatnuts. I want that
Yo, throw
instrumental.
that, throw that. Oh shit, yo, let it metaphysical, lyrical, dirigible. Like, oh shit.
If you mention math formulas in your hip hop, it's real hip hop, my nigga.
It's real hip hop.
If you ever like, yo, y'all niggas eating pie, I'm 3.14. I mean, can you argue with that?
It's not, you can't.
Yo, psst, what y'all bring to the table?
Huh?
Mine is periodic. You like,
whoa, shit.
Oh shit, watch out, J. Cole.
Oh shit, y'all really can't see it. My theorem is perigathene.
Watch out, Jamarius Cole.
Whoa.
Have you listened to the new Jamarius Cole album?
I haven't, bro.
I haven't. We had next week. We're busy.
I'm waiting for the screener.
We're busy. I told someone, oh no, it was you.
I'm waiting for the screener.
You said you were too busy to listen to an album once on the show. And I was like, what the
I am. I got 4 kids. I got 4 kids. I got 2 cars. I got a house. I got too much things to worry about.
Everything you just said has nothing to do with listening to music.
It does.
4 kids, you can just have it on in the background. 2 cars, that's 2 places you can listen to
See,
it.
but that-
A house, you can just play the music.
Yo, when you listen to real hip-hop-
you just gotta keep it funky and be like, I'm just not listening.
I'm probably not going to listen to
See?
it. But you know what?
Look at that, I got 4 kids. People got 5 kids that listen to music.
Yeah, that's their problem.
Beyonce
That's
got
their
3
problem.
kids and makes music.
Beyonce is also Beyonce. He probably
Okay.
has a staff of 30.
Okay? R.
need
Kelly
Beyonce-
got mad kids and still makes music. I like to apologize. The problematic light just came on.
Yeah, so
Even though that was not a joke, that was factual.
factual.
So,
Get him out of here.
how many kids does R. Kelly have?
Too many.
Does he have kids? I don't even know.
Too many.
Oh, he has 3.
Oh, only 3?
You would think he'd have more. Is that the one part of his life he's responsible? No, you know what it is? He probably doesn't want people to do to his kids what he...
You know
what?
Hey,
You know what?
Hey.
Today's episode is sponsored to you by Red Bull. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's take a sip. Delicious.
Delicious. For that, don't get it twisted. We're still Red Bull gang over here. You know what it is? We'll get you wing. 109 episodes. Sponsored by what? Energy drinks. The Uber driver I had this morning was so fucking amped.
Because he had the wild, 24-ounce Red Bull?
No, he was like, you're going to Red Bull? I was like, yeah. He's like the drink? I was like, yes. He was like, it's so big in my country. But he never said what country he was from. He said so big in Africa, and then he looked at me like, figure it out.
Oh, wow.
And it turned into African Jeopardy, and I was like, okay.
Yo, shout out to all West African.
Sandals, so that could be anywhere. I was like, your favorite kind of rice is what?
Your name is Mamadou. Okay, it's a pretty
you like your women
name.
really big?
No.
Okay. Do you find really big foreheads attractive?
Huh?
Because, shout out to my attritions.
You know what I'm saying? Huh? Yeah. How about that?
Oh, my Easter Island chicks. Nah, shout out to them because, Somali chicks too, because they be having, the big forehead, but it works.
Yeah, it works.
Be like, how?
Yeah.
It's like no one else can pull it off.
No one else can pull that off.
You be like, because you
and they'll be like, look at my shit. They'll tie shit back into a ponytail. Like, they don't give a fuck.
Yo.
Ma.
I was like, yo, how your forehead's big as shit, but you beautiful.
Yo.
It's wild.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. It's amazing.
It's like Jamaican girls and they have big nostrils, but it doesn't affect their nose. Yeah. And it's just it's a turn on because you're like, damn, she got strong lungs.
Yeah. She don't got the baby lungs.
Yeah.
She could probably smoke a blunt.
She could yell at some kids in the future. So you're like, yeah. Oh.
When you doing Lamaze and shit, she's taking a mad deep breaths like
delivers a whole baby off of one breath.
Yeah, like
she's chiefing on a fucking bogey. She's like,
hold that.
All right, I'm out. Going back to work.
Yo, go back to work.
He's got a cutlass on us. I gotta drop this baby off. What's
up?
Drop
the umbilical cord over the fucking wild machete. Like, take that. I can keep the placenta.
Keep the placenta. Keep the placenta. We need to make a restaurant where you bring in the placenta and then you pick on the menu how you want to cook.
Prepared. It has to be
hibachi style.
Yeah. They flip it up into your mouth and shit.
Chopping it up.
Yeah. They throw the
make a placenta, a volcano and shit out of onions. Like, yeah.
Let the shit on fire. Bang, flip it into your pocket.
Niggas point at you like, open your mouth. Niggas flick a little placenta in your mouth like,
I missed.
They got the IG live story like, you doing a slow motion. It's like,
you get the wild blood sit on your shirt. Like, oh shit, damn.
Nasty. We always talk about cord blood, placenta, diva cups, and foreskins. We talk about stuff that would essentially be great content if we were 15. Yeah. Dicks and farts and pussies. It's the fact that we're grown men it's troubling. It's troubling. People listen to this and they're like, oh, it's the greatest shit ever. I was like, no, we have not matured. This is what happened. There was probably lead paint in our apartments or
there was
asbestos in the water.
In my school.
And,
Yeah, there was asbestos in my junior high school. I know there was because the same room that 3 teachers worked in, mysteriously all 3 teachers died of cancer. So
were they smoking bogeys?
Nah. And they were the fake healthy teachers.
Don't forget that whole scandal when they came out and it turned out every public school had asbestos and they had to delay the opening of They had to delay.
My school had the plastic on the ceiling. I'm like,
everybody was like, yo, we got 2 more weeks off of school.
Yeah,
and our parents was like, what the They was like, I gotta keep these badass kids 2 more weeks.
Oh, how the fuck? I think I gotta go to work.
Oh, that was shout out 93. 1,069 schools in New York were affected with asbestos.
Wow.
Because what people don't know, if you never went to school in New York, the schools were made from asbestos.
Yeah, purely asbestos.
Straight asbestos. They just painted it over them in I want to say 2007.
But once the paint chips, it's asbestos city.
And then, if you have free or reduced lunch, they just made your lunch from asbestos.
Yeah.
They just give you a cheese sandwich.
Go ahead, nigga.
I can taste the meso.
It's crunchy. My blood. Why am I coughing up blood?
Smoker's slung.
Don't worry about it. Strawberry jam. We put it on the cheese.
Oh, so sad.
Yeah. Shout out to PS72, you know what I'm saying? My alma mater. Class of 93, you know what I'm saying?
Shout out to PSA 7, PSA 3, you know what it is. And IS 181, shout out to Chris Hayes and shit. DJ Khaled said he don't eat pussy.
He really said that?
Yeah, in an interview this morning.
What did his wife to say about it? Shout out to his wife. Shout out to Nicole Tuck because she's very outspoken. But yeah, I respect that about her. They had a video where he was she was working out, and he was like, "Yo, go ahead, go to the body." She was doing
that boxing shit.
Yeah, and she was like, "Yo, shut the fuck up, nigga."
That's probably why she's like, "Shut the fuck up, nigga." She ain't getting the box munch. He's not going down and licking it like it's Uber Eats. He is not out there like it's a Lunchable, putting a little fucking ham on the cracker.
You gotta eat the choach, my nigga.
Gotta eat the choach. Should we raise choach awareness?
Yeah.
We gotta make a song. We gotta make a song like "Eat the choach."
Eat the choach.
Hey, 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 hey.
Eat choach every day.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
There you go.
I should have paused for another 5 seconds.
Choach.
It's the motherfucking VAGG.
Choach, dog, motherfucker. And I'm all choached out. on you. We just need different types. We need to choke awareness. Yeah.
Let's do a Choach album. We got a lot of famous friends now.
Yeah.
So all our musician friends, let's do an album about. Let's do.
You know how they had like We Are the World?
Yeah, but for we eat the pussy,
we eat the choach,
Jamaica place.
we eat the pussy. We are the ones that lick away to our lungs, are mad and gushy. It's a choice we're making. We're going underneath. So please hop in the shower first. It's kind of messy. He just got Stevie Wonder under. He's like, and then they taste like panties. You're like, oh, Stevie.
Whoa, Stevie, you wild, chill. He's like, I'ma lick the clitoris. Ooh,
he comes with the piano. It's like, bam, bam, bam. I'm like, why is this getting more upbeat?
Elton John comes out of nowhere like,
I don't know what y'all talking about, but I just want to sing on this song.
Yo. Oh shit!
If you
he jumps on an ass eating remix.
If you had to have sex the rest of your life without eating pussy,
sex,
you have a choice. You can either have regular sex the rest of your life or eat pussy, but not both.
Just eat pussy and not have sex ever?
Yeah. I don't know. You're in some Black Mirror. I don't know.
Oh man, I mean, having sex without eating pussy is whack. But then if you
welcome
don't,
to Dominican talk.
But then like if you don't, if you're just eating pussy, bro, like my balls will explode within like 2 weeks. Like literally.
That's true. I don't really have that problem. All I really do with young ladies is pray with them. So.
Oh, okay, that's good. You're a good Christian, man.
Just grab my hand, sister.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm glad you came to my room at 3 in the morning.
I'm a heathen.
You're a heathen?
I'm half heathen, half Jew.
You should get that on your face. Get that. Do like those SoundCloud rappers.
Be like,
under one thing, the heathen and the Jew, and like an upside down cross. Nigga, your demographic will triple. Little Mero and shit. Niggas be like, yo, they got this 19-year-old rapper named Little Mero. And I'm like, yeah, he's 19.
Yeah.
Put mad filters on you and shit.
Yeah, hell yeah.
You do songs about, yo, fuck school.
I have my kids beat my body double and shit. Like,
fuck school. My mom don't understand.
Just straight Milli Vanilli. Just have my kids with mad face tats and shit. Like, yo, this is so cool. How's he only 7 rapping about shooting Uzis? He's so lit.
That's wild. Because he was talking about property tax and, voting in the school district, but now he's talking about like Fortnite and doing Percocets. He's like, yo, pew, I shoot you in Fortnite. Boo, boo. Hey, look at the value of my house.
Hey. I'm building a ramp. You can't shoot me because I'm building a ramp.
Remortgaging.
Oh.
That's right.
Oh.
Refinancing.
Home equity.
Shut the home equity. Fully insured. Ooh. Fully insured. Collision insurance. Ooh. New water heater.
Do you want a warranty? Of course I do.
Keep them all in a box.
That's how you know you watch. The niggas offer you the warranty.
If you got a box full of warranties, welcome to Wash. That's the wash zone. The closest I got to that is this mad Chinese menus in a drawer for Chinese restaurants that do not exist anymore. Yo. And there's mad duck sauce in there because I'm just like, you never know.
You never know.
I'd have maybe if there was a hurricane that washed away the rest of New York, that's the only way I'm using the condiments in that drawer.
Oh, yeah.
I have no idea why I'm collecting them.
Me neither.
But let me tell you something. Those and my collection of plastic bags.
Ooh. Unmatched.
You see what happened when they killed John Wick's dog? Take my plastic bags or my condiments.
Watch what happens.
Kill everybody in this motherfucker.
You know what I'm saying?
Woo!
I got 2 of those fucking those weird like
the IKEA
woven bags that you put
stuff the plastic bags in.
Man,
yeah,
and that shit is like overflowing. I feel like I'm mad prosperous because I have mad overflowing plastic bags.
Also, the bad thing is roaches love that plastic bag shit. They just like it's a perfect nest for them.
Oh, it's like we love to live in here. Oh,
yeah, but you know what? Ever since I've been on TV, I've not seen a roach in my house. Like I feel like they won't disrespect. I think they're like outside. They're bashful. They're like, stop. I don't want to bother him.
Chill.
Stop.
He has to get ready for work. Stop.
Where's the art? Hey. I'm approaching like an Earth sign man. Can I take a picture? Take a picture with like a roach. He got like 6 legs up and shit.
I'm just holding the nigga up on a glue trap and
like,
shit. Like, yo, what up?
He's like, look, I got the Urban Outfitters shirt. I was at the Brooklyn show. I was like, oh shit!
Oh shit, you were.
You were the one with the thorax rub. Yeah, Mero was the thorax nigga. Oh shit, that's crazy.
How's your egg sack doing?
Yo, that's wild.
Yo, you wild, B.
That's wild. Flick it up one time.
Yo,
He's like, yo, like.
Yo, I'm terrible at selfies. Niggas taking 6 selfies at once.
He's like, yo, go. I always wondered what my rainbow would say. I'm like, oh, wow, that's so cool, man.
Like, oh, shit. Yo, I would survive a nuclear war. Oh shit.
He's like, leaving. He's like, yo, Mero. He's like, what? He's like, yo, my guts hurt. I'm Michael Roach Anthony. Ma, you fucking bitch. You sprayed me with rain. Michael Roach Anthony. Mom, scurry into Victory Boulevard. I heard there's some garbage out there.
Yeah. I'm getting out of this fucking glue trap. I'm seeing the world.
Michael Roach Anthony, get away from there.
No.
Michael, Anthony, are you playing with the boric acid?
Yes, I am.
God,
I love it. I love
Stop.
it. I love it. I'm going into combat.
Don't go into the Raid Hotel.
I'm going into this combat. I'm going into this combat. This combat gel is fucking fire. Julio got the new combat gel. It's fucking fire, bro. I need it. Come on, man. I got 6 legs. I got a thorax.
Remember the Raid commercials? And they'd be like, the Roach Hotel.
Yeah, they'd be like,
that's it. You know what? Remember the Roach? At first, you're like, Roach wife is like, you better not be at that fucking Roach Hotel.
That's right.
And you just drive by the shit. It just look like.
Remember Freddy Krueger when the shorty got stuck in the Roach Hotel? It was like, this man slimy shit. Yeah, it was fucking. I was terribly frightening as a kid, and now I'm just like, this shit looks mad corny.
I was never afraid of Freddy Krueger or Jason or any of that stuff growing up.
Well, they made me watch the shit when I was like a fucking infant.
No, that stuff was always corny to me because I was also my life was like, yo, let's watch this horror movie, and then my friends were like, okay, go sleep alone in the basement. By the way, crackheads have been breaking in all week, so good luck. Here's a finger hunt knife. Wrap some fur around the handle so you get a good grip, and I'll see you in the morning. I'm like, I was like, how come I gotta sleep down in the basement myself? They was like, because your sisters are girls, and I was like,
oh, that's
what the fuck does that mean?
Okay, that's what it is.
I was like, if anything, you only have one son, so in theory, I'm probably worth more.
Technically, let's talk about legacy.
My father's like, I'm trying to bring back dowry, so you know what I'm saying? Gotta make room for them goats.
He said dowry. Yo.
Did you have to pay a dowry for Heather?
I got shafted, bro. Well, actually, yeah, I did have to pay a dowry.
How many goats?
I think it was like 20 hymen touchings.
Boo.
Two Roth IRAs.
Boo. That doesn't make any sense. Why would you pay Jew stuff for a Jew? You don't buy PlayStation 2 and PlayStation 2 money.
They don't eat. I've never seen anybody on the Jewish side of the family eat goat. I don't think. I mean, knowingly. You know what I'm saying? And there's been plenty of opportunities. My mom loves her some chivo.
So what?
Chivo.
Okay.
Let's go in Spanish.
All right.
Chivo, un chivito guisado.
A lot of stuff right there.
Chivito guisado. So out to everybody eating chivo guisado, you know what I'm saying? When you throw the shit in there, you spice it up, you know what I mean? I throw all the, you know what I'm saying?
Here today with your Jew facts.
What's today's Jew facts?
Goats are kosher because they're land animals and they have split hooves. And what's the second part?
They are not swine.
Oh, shut up. Jesus. We're gonna have to do a movie where I have to help Mero pass his Jew test.
Like my Jewy D.
Jewy D. You got 48 hours to pass your Jewy D.
Yo, all that. Look, I know the basics. I don't know shellfish.
It chooses cut. If it has split hooves and it chooses cut, it's kosher.
Oh, the shoes are
the shoes.
The shoes are cut. I was like, what?
Split hooves.
Okay.
And it chooses cut.
Oh, it chooses cut. Oh, okay.
Now I'm just running through the campus with mad books. Like, come on,
come on, man.
You don't know anything about Judaism.
I was like, oh shit. I
got you in the gym and you're spinning mad dreidels and shit. I'm like, again.
I got the wild, that little pointy thing for the Torah and shit. Like I'm just doing it
blindfolded. Just make you read the Torah. Like, let's go.
Yo, again. That's a Hanukkah song. My bad. Dayinu.
I guess you're practicing to qualify in the Jew Olympics.
Yeah,
that's what it is.
Yeah, I'm reading the Haggadah.
You're trying to impress somebody.
I'm reading the Haggadah backwards and shit. You know what I'm saying?
And it's like, because it's like the movie trailer, and it's like this summer, and then like the final scene is like I come in the bathroom real early, and you're putting on extension curly hairs, and I just walk out back slowly, like I didn't see anything.
I didn't see anything.
In movies this summer.
Those are my PEDs.
Mazel tov.
Mazel tov.
Mazel tov.
The story of one man trying to become a Jewish man.
If I was a rich nigga, I would be dead ass. Nigga on the roof with Tim, jumping up and down. Get Barbra Streisand, drop a verse. Who is the new Barbra Streisand? Bad Baby.
Bad Baby?
Bad Baby would be the Barbra Streisand.
Are we
make a Yentl?
Babs.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Bad
Catch
with
me
H.
juice side. How about that?
What's up?
What's up?
Yeah, I'm a dude. What's up? Y'all not gonna let me in this. Y'all not gonna let me bar mitzvah or be in Hebrew school because because y'all think I'm not a dude. I'm a dude.
Mazel tov, niggas. Mazel tov, mo.
Yeah, word.
Oh, she doesn't say that word. Sorry.
She does it, right?
She doesn't say that word.
Is that the only non-problematic thing about
She
it?
was going to beat up Whoa Vicky and Little Tay because they use the N-word.
Oh, wow.
So we stand an unproblematic queen.
Is Bad Baby an ally?
She might be woke.
Wow.
She's going to be president one day anyway, so.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Listen, the world is going the way it's going. Like, you're looking at some shit, you're like, nah, that's not going to, it's going to happen. It's going to happen.
If you think it's going to happen, it's probably going to happen.
Yeah. Now, all these Trump voters and shit, they're like, nah, we saved America. America's gonna be America. It's gonna be America's being America for the next 3 years.
Yeah,
of just racism and shit. That's gonna go to some different racism. But then America's gonna be like so washed, and like now you got anyone could be president now.
Yeah,
anyone,
literally.
Like niggas,
That's it, bro.
Niggas in the White House like microwave a fish. There's probably like fucking chipotle stains
everything,
on the couch and shit.
Bro,
they got empty Diet Cokes under the fucking Oval Office
Mad
table.
floaters everywhere, just like take 2 sips and just drop
the
it.
toilet is disgusting.
Oh yeah,
because he probably was like, "No, fire the staff, just put in some of that blue water."
No, I hate turning the light on when I have to pee at night. I know where the toilet bowl is. Leave me
They
alone.
got mad puddles on the right and left side of it, ew, and they're all dry.
And wash sticky and shit.
They didn't even replace the toilet paper. He just got the new roll on top of the back of the toilet. Like, you do it, yeah. You want that?
Is that what you want in the White House?
Toothpaste on the mirror?
Huh?
I'm just describing my bathroom, by the way. I'm gonna keep it funky. I need to get made, but I don't trust niggas.
Just get a clean service.
Nah, I don't trust. I got too much to leave. Too much to lose. You can't just be trusting regular niggas. You can't just be mailing niggas peanuts, and you just can't be having people in your house.
You know what you do? Call them and just stay there while they're there.
Oh, that sounds stupid.
I mean,
I have things to do. I have shows to do. I have to go do 2 shows in Boston and do a podcast right now, and I record a TV. But I'm gonna sit there in my boxers while some chubby ankled West Indian woman cleans my house.
I mean, I prefer to hire white people to do that type of shit.
I don't trust white people.
I'm just like, yo, go do this, go do that. I like to order them around.
I don't know. That might be my internal racism. I wouldn't trust a white person to clean my house.
No, but these are not like apple pie white people. These are like third world white people. And then you tell them like, yo, you're from Ukrainistan? Make sure my fucking sink is the cleanest you have ever seen it in your entire fucking life, or else I'm going to fucking call ICE right now. Right fucking now.
Hi, that's the new problematic like sponsored by who? WB Mason. Mero apologized to my Ukrainians.
I'm sorry, my Ukrainian stands.
Wow.
Shout out to Ukraine. Ukraine? Sorry, I don't know.
Ukraine is a made-up border Call of Duty. Okay, we gotta go rescue Price.
Yo, I'm gonna just keep it fucking, bro. I don't give a fuck about Norway. I don't give a fuck about Sweden. I don't give a fuck about anywhere. Where it's just like, oh, we're white people. We're prospering so well. We're such a great model for the world. I don't give a fuck, bro. It's like 10,000 of y'all, man. Get the fuck out of here, bro. I don't care that you got nice jail. Nigga, still jail. Suck my dick. Oh, we haven't had anybody shot.
I'm so lost. What is your rant right now?
Against
you. What did Norway do to you?
I don't know. I just,
Do you just
sometimes I get on my, you know what I'm saying, get white people out of here shit.
You can't get mad at the white person.
I know.
You can't get rid of white people, man.
I know.
And also apologize to Europe because when we do this fucking European tour, I don't want niggas to be like, das Putin?
Yeah.
Oh, das Putin, fuck you.
Yeah. Und Scheiße Fagensnugel.
Oh, sucking my dick from back.
Yeah. You know what Red Bull comes from, motherfucker, here.
We like, yo, Germany was... Niggas start throwing Red Bulls at us. I'm like, are they supporting us? Or Hasan's like, nah, get off the stage.
Nah, shout out to Sweden.
Just here like...
Oh shit! No!
Oh shit! They're full.
No, chill! No, they're not empty at all.
Wait, I thought y'all was full.
They're full of piss.
I thought German people were friendly.
They're full of piss, and they're like, "Can we please have that back for our pornography scene?" But they just drink the piss out of the Red Bull can.
I gotta run back on stage to get my fucking scat porn that I left on there. I'm like, sorry.
Sorry, guys.
I put it custom. I got some wild shit here.
You know, niggas give us like a little, yo, thanks for coming to our theater. That's what they're gonna give us in Germany, like straight scat porn DVDs.
Not even scat for DVDs, just straight scat. Give us little vials of scat like here.
They're gonna be like, hey,
you know how we got those scat last time we had like the little pieces of paper and shit? They give you, like different types of scat and shit. Yeah. He was like, this is tandoori, this one right here, this curry goat.
Ooh.
There's a little baklava.
This guy right here ate a piece of the Berlin Wall. Enjoy that. Is this still there? Can I go do graffiti on the Berlin Wall? Would that be lit?
No, it's torn down.
It's completely torn down?
No, I mean, I'm sure there's
sections left up? Like
sections.
As memories?
Yeah. There's the East Side Gallery, and then 100 artists each painted large paintings around the world. Painted on it, so.
Oh, be a Bronx dickhead and just go through mad feelings over that shit.
Oh my God, you would get. I feel like they still have the same people with the guns at the Berlin Wall, so they just clap you like in Fortnite. Shit just hover over you. I'm like, damn, this nigga died at 8. This nigga was number 89 out of 100. Imagine you go through all the trouble, flying to Germany with mad art supplies and shit, and you approach the wall with like a fucking spray paint and just hit like the one, one headshot, you just died. I'm like, oh shit. He's never gonna pass his Jew exam now. To drag you back and shit.
I'm like, yo, where we going to the Perm Carnival?
No, you got shot, nigga.
Oh shit. I'm gonna live, right?
No, you dead already.
Yo, it's all types of shit coming out this nigga's head, God.
I'm like, Mero, can you move? Can you do the Block Boy dance? And he's on the ground doing it. Like, he's got good moves. I'm like, that's involuntary.
Yeah.
I think that's his medulla over there.
I shit on myself.
Mero, you can't die in Germany in front of the Berlin Wall, man.
No, man, come on, man.
You gotta do some graffiti, man.
Come on, man. Get it together.
How you gonna be all city, man, if you can't graffiti in Germany?
Come on, man. Berlin is the #1 city in Germany, man.
Mero, you gotta get your head in the game. You gotta pass your GED.
We gotta do this, man. I actually watched a DVR episode of Empire yesterday, and I had it. Because your man, I was like, this is such a soap at this point, bro. Like, your man fucking Terrence Howard goes in. His wife has a heart attack, so he goes to the church, to the chapel in the hospital, takes the fucking crucifix off the wall, and he's like, "You listen to me, motherfucker. I will rain down hell on you if you take Cookie away from me, man." I was like, bruh, are you? And then just like zoom in on the fucking like Jesus thing, and then just sitting there like, whatever, nigga. I mean, nigga, I'm nailed to this cross. Like, take me off this cross if you can't catch these hands. Stick my to this dick, nigga.
Hasan, could you do a rewind sound and take us back to like episode 5 or 6 where Mero was arguing with me that Empire was quality television?
Yo, if the first 2 seasons were really good.
No.
And then the writing slipped.
No. Everyone says the first couple of episodes. No one says the first 2 seasons. Did the nigga get MS and then go to jail? Like, come on. They were just throwing everything in the pot. At one point, Cookie lived underwater, and all she wanted was like legs so she could walk on Earth. She was hanging with like a calypso crab.
Bruh, there is a subplot where Gabori Sidibe is pregnant by an independent rapper. Yo, I'm just like, yo, y'all niggas is wildin'. Yo, but what is the yayo situation in the writer's room right now? Because y'all are off the rails.
But she was loving it. Yo, speaking of Wash, yesterday I was watching, I think it was Hulu, and it was just like, yo, because you know, you get to the end, it's like, oh, we're going to throw some other bullshit on. And I was like, we're going to throw on Perfect Strangers, season 1, episode 1. And I was like, why the fuck would they reboot Perfect Strangers?
Nah.
You don't fuck with greatness.
Come on, I don't fuck with Balky and the Hat Dance of Joy.
It was the real thing.
Oh, shit.
And I know every word to that. Standing tall on the wings of our dreams. Woo. Woo. Oh, they need to do another one where he
Cousin Laddie.
Ah,
that was so happy. That's some joy. Hey.
They need to do another one where he comes and like Cousin Larry's like, yo, I'm gonna help you get a job, whatever. Now Ice just come kick down the door and takes him away.
Yeah.
It's just mad sad. He's just going to mad offices trying to get his cousin back.
He's just like Guantanamo and shit. They got the nigga chained up and shit.
He has the right to see a lawyer.
They're like, no,
he's not.
He's getting waterboarded. He's like, oh my god,
Cousin Larry.
No, I do the dance of Soto now. Put a towel over that nigga's face. It's like, Larry. Niggas are like, can't help you, nigga.
Oh,
they just puts on his MAGA hat and walks into his apartment.
Oh man,
I couldn't wait to get rid of that motherfucker.
Shout out to Perfect Strangers. Because without Perfect Strangers, you do not have Family Matters.
That's
because
true.
remember,
It's a
they had
spinoff.
Harriet
Yeah.
as the security guard or the elevator operator, some bullshit. And I guess she was sassy enough that people were like, you know what? Let's do a whole fucking show about her.
We need more Harriet.
More Harriet.
Yes.
More Harriet. Also, she was in a house with mad people.
Yo, that's
There was
wild.
like 90 people in that house.
That's 90
There was an aunt with the kid.
Yeah, bro.
Mad kids.
What's up
the
with 90
fathers.
sitcoms? Like, they all had 100,000 motherfuckers in the house, and every family was just like mad.
I think the writers were just trying to get like jobs for their friends and shit.
Yeah.
It was like, yo, just come on.
Yo, you could be an uncle. Yo, Uncle Joey, Uncle Joey.
But think about it. Back then, there was no show had like 1 star. It had like 4 stars.
Bruh.
Had to have mad people on it.
Yo.
Yeah.
Fam, like Full House is a perfect example.
Like who was the? I was gonna be like who was the lead on Smart Guy, but
Oh, yeah.
clearly it was John Legend.
Smart guy.
So
Smart guy grew up and he's like, love her curves and all your edges.
Luna, get down from there.
Get down from there. What are you doing?
Luna, leave Mama's pizza alone. She's just in my pizza.
Damn, shit done changed, me. I remember when niggas used to go to TV on Friday just to watch a stupid dinosaur hit his dad in the head with a frying pan.
Not the mama. Not the mama. Not the mama. Yeah. Time is. How expensive do you think that show was?
Yo, if you pitch that show now, niggas would be like, get the fuck out of my office. Get all the way the fuck out of my office. Animatronic dinosaur family?
A whole no. Everything was animatronic.
Everything.
That
The
was
clock, the
ABC.
fridge.
That was Disney. Woo!
My God.
Dinosaurs. 1991 to 1994. Wash. Shout to Earl, the father. Did they all die in the end or something?
Yeah, they got extinct.
Yeah. Oh, spoiler.
Spoiler alert. Dinosaurs become extinct. Whoa.
That mad people listening to this just covering their kids' ears like, no. That's not true.
Yeah, that's not true.
They just went to the farm upstate where the cat went.
There's actually this thing, I think it's in Pennsylvania, that's a fake dinosaur park and it's full of animatronic dinosaurs.
I'm familiar with it.
And you think that it's a great place to take your 3-year-old kid? It is not a great place to take your 3-year-old kid because these things look dead ass real. They roar mad fucking loud and it will terrify the shit. Nigga, I was high and I was shook. I was like, oh! I was like, nigga, is that a real T-Rex? Like, them shits is big and they fucking are loud, B.
If you want to take your kids somewhere big, scary, and a waste of time, take them to the Noah Ark Museum in Florida that is set up and based on the Bible.
Oh, God.
You want to have a good, clean Christian time?
Is there animals fucking?
No. It's just 2 of each animal and shit. And all that shit. But it's not even like the real animals.
It's like taxidermy sheep?
And they got like 5. They're like, listen, use your imagination. There's other animals. Like, we got 5 in here.
Nigga, ain't no tiger in here, sorry.
Nah,
we got sheep, goat,
shit.
chicken.
No, imagine guys like, yo, you get 2 of every animal. And Noah's like, can this nigga read my thoughts? Just nigga one. 2 of each.
2 of each? What the
Like, I can't name 2 of each. Nigga, Noah's just hitting a wild blunt, like, outside the ark. Like, what the fuck?
Niggas
Right,
grab 2 squirrels, 2 pigeons, 2 rats.
Let me see. What starts with A? Shit. Ants.
Ants.
How do I get 2 fucking ants? I gotta get a male and female, right?
Come on, darn it. Ain't the
Where am I
all...
put? Oh, shit. All right, what
That
else?
nigga goes on
Armadillo.
Wikipedia and it's like, all worker ants are sterile. Damn, B! How the fuck?
Oh, I gotta... Armadillos. We don't got no armadillo.
Nigga, where the fuck I'm gonna find an armadillo, B?
Nigga can come back to God like, yo,
so far I got 2 pit bulls, my nigga. That's about it.
So like the armadillo situation, they out.
Like,
They out of armadillos and shit. So can I do something else? Can I just move on to the bees?
can I get a rain check?
No, if you make that fucking joke again, my nigga.
My fault. But yo, this shit is hard, my nigga.
Anyway, I got my new okay, we got what we got? We got a bitch on freeze, we got
Okay.
a Boston Terrier,
Okay.
we got a buffalo,
Okay.
we got a that's all the bee animals.
Nigga, what about bears? It's bears.
What?
You
So
get
I
a
gotta
bear.
do bears, and I was wondering.
Bears,
like, what I do-
birds,
I was doing G for grizzly, so now I gotta do just all bears.
all bears. Fam.
So I'm just gonna have the bears.
Fam,
next to the
no.
sheep.
I think you misunderstand what I told you. When I screamed down from heaven to you, my nigga, I meant get 2 of every animal on earth. So like, you can't just be like, yo, I got 2 birds and that's it. You gotta go get a woodpecker, a penguin, a pigeon. You feel me?
Yo.
That's how we
no
doing
disrespect. No disrespect, my Lord and Savior. It really sounds like you want me to be a cop. You just want me out here locking people up.
Nah.
Nah, that's what it sounds like.
Nah, because they fucking
That's what it
know.
sound like.
They fucking know.
Also, if you could make these shits. Matter of fact, I'm walking off this shit. Kanye says that slavery is an option. Fuck this. No, like
the God is like, oh shit.
if God
damn, I
tells you
could.
to make something, you can't be like, yo, I will give. You can't leave God on red.
Niggas looking at his phone like, oh, where's gonna
He's
be
like, oh
already?
shit, I'm gonna respond to this
Oh, what?
later.
I'm gonna leave you on dead, nigga. Lightning bolt,
You
lightning
just
bolt,
hear
lightning
the
bolt.
vote like, I saw you, saw my text.
Text.
Like, yo,
Why you tweeting if you see my text, nigga?
respond,
Nigga
respond.
showing every DM
Nigga
possible.
make the sun bloody red and shit. I will kill all firstborn if Jesus does not respond. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, the Pope is like, my nigga, please.
Please,
Oh, grazie,
Grazie,
respond.
please, respond.
Respond.
Come on. That's the spicy text right there.
I don't have to respond, man.
Come on, man.
He just wants me to build an ark, man.
Fuck out of here, man.
If I threw my kids in the garbage because they was gay, why you think I'm not gonna do it to a gay penguin?
Fuck out of here,
Fuck
nigga.
out of here, man.
Look at this S curl.
I'm making an empire, not an ark. I'm here to build records, not save animals.
Fuck out of here.
How am I supposed to feed the aardvarks? Huh? I have MS, Cookie.
Cookie, you my motherfucking rib, man.
Matter of fact, now I want some ribs. I want my baby back, baby back, baby
Juanita.
back.
Juanita. Niggas made his name Juanita in the show too, by the way. Yeah, take a big swing after that.
Oh, Empire. Can't wait. You know what? We're laughing in 20 years. We're going to reboot Empire.
Oh, I can't fucking wait.
Can't wait. Little Tay is going to be like the star. Shit.
Oh, God.
Should have like a master's degree and shit.
Yo, you know what bugs me out? I have not heard any of these people's music.
Right.
I don't even know
I don't think they have
where
music.
to
I think
begin.
they're just social media people.
Like, what?
Fuck it.
Bruh,
That's the
I just seen this little girl talking about, yo, I was getting money when I was 6. I'm like,
That
what?
was yesterday. You're 7
I
now.
was like, yeah. I was like, ma, like I still see the balloons in the back. Like your birthday,
The big goat
the
7.
big, like stop playing. Fuck out of here,
Making it hot. Just need a cop and goat. Man.
man.
Episode 109.
Yeah.
I think we might go with that cop and goat.
Yeah, man.
Yo, it's been your boy.
You know what I'm saying? Who is it? Who that?
Oh, excuse me.
Who that is?
Your boy, Jesus Nice, aka Jesus Vice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Terrio.
Oh shit.
aka Chris Stats Wrestling Dick. Eli Lippy. Butcher's Bully Golden. Butcher's Bully Gully.
That's right.
So, but I might know your bitch. Young Day Party. Young Hot Take. Speaking of Young Day Party, listen, I'm going to be in Boston, but y'all, by the time y'all hear this, it will pass already.
It'll have passed.
Yeah.
But yo, post up the before and after photos, please.
Yeah. Make the most of Cinco de Mayo this weekend.
You know what I'm saying?
Again, it's going to be passed, but you know.
You know what I'm saying?
Come to you future. DJ Fuego, Mr. Young Hot Take, Mr. Nanas with Orlando. Mil Novus going off in Nueva York. We kept going off. The Juve boss. MC looking good. Pulling up from 40 with your shorty. AKA don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you. Don't want to know you. Okay? Don't do it.
I'm wearing I don't even
Rethink
like
it, man.
yeah.
I got nothing to talk
I don't
to you
even
about.
like Beats headphones, but I'm wearing them to avoid conversation.
Woo! The Virgin my +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. Just let us all in, man.
Yeah.
Look, I'm 50. I'm here 50 deep.
Come on, man.
You know I did not RSVP all these people. So just let me in, or I'm gonna pull the fire alarm and ruin this party for everyone, dog.
Fuck that.
Fuck that. If these don't party, no one parties.
No.
These are the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado to his young positive, goes to Mufasa. Young Charcoonery without the coonery. Without the coonery. At least 20% less charcoonery now.
Oh, nice.
Ching. AK Tilly Ramon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. KLOK. Vice K. Makuzaka. Phone Jones.
shit.
DC Machina.
Goddamn.
Jake Chuckles. Stanley Cubs. Human Dr. Bonders label. Dalu. Leonardo Trapio. Mr. 240 because I got my Pinot Blurry. DJ Woolite, aka listen to Washed FM. Up next, we have Shannon. Not the music. The Curry Goat. Jesus Spicer. Jamal Hasbro. The Bronx Celine Dion. Ray Nephew's nephew. The Marino. You cannot contain no human mimic. We're into Ja. Young Aaron. The racist provocateur. Henry
right.
Budcuss. Nelson Bangdella. Sergio Can't See Me. Vladimir Booth. And the human world is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on deck. Squeaky Tiki Squabby. Greg Popovich. More to say with your chestnut. Mahatma Gandhi. Not Maccabee. But I got that cucumber. The juice of the press, which your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. I am the art, damn it. I am it. The Dundada Ganoush Norm Cup of News, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova Casanova, William H. $5, $10. Forget the small change.
What you need?
Big money right. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left. Raptors coming back. Mantis Marv.
Yeah.
True Rizzuto. Holy cow. Catch me at the money store. Mr. Softpons, all I do is count checks and jerk
what?
off. Jerk off all day. I'm talking till my hands peel. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. I'm behind the baking soda. David Yurtman. These expensive, these is bag bottom, these is bloody shows. Woo. I'm pregnant with Offset's baby. Smoke him dog. Andrew Coonan. Can you live after a little gay sex? I don't want to kill you after gay sex. AK the Junior guy. Sit down, pound me charger.
Yeah, wine pon it.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. It's topping that easy with a bad breezy like I'm easy. Please believe me, Mr. Black 80 addict. addict who crack your back like automatic crack bag. Misdemeanor, misdemeanor with a fresh misdemeanor, cold misdemeanor, a.k.a. a problematic babe. Send that text. Don't matter if she's married. Yeah.
Yeah, fuck it. Yo, man, we out of here, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy this fucking hour, you pieces of garbage. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Gotti, a.k.a. Skirt Loader, a.k.a. I know fucking baby, a fucking man, my nigga. Check out my dad, a.k.a. nigga. Check the guesses again. I'm on it right there, right next to Bill Cosby. Oh, shit, never mind. This is prison, nigga. God damn. I thought this was the afties. Shit. Nah, I'm out of here. A.k.a. CC Dad Bethia, a.k.a. I teach my kids how to make a Lizzie bag so they can boost from Toys R Us early like pros. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
Raising them right. A.k.a. Bitch Smack Me Up, a.k.a. Dick in your baby mutumbo. You know, come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me unless you come with hefty dowry, motherfucker. A.k.a. Bartle Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and hit some shit and run. A.k.a. the Dominican Dundada, Diamond Daddy, that duro, dímelo. A.k.a. Romeo Santos. I kiss your girl at your own concert in front row. I don't give a fuck. So Zanny. Let me black out. A.k.a. Lighten El Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke ass and got vibe. So don't even come in the site, my nigga, because I will smack you, open hand smack you in front of your girl. I don't care if she's there. A.k.a. Tom Brady, your girl, got my balls deflated. We out here. A.k.a. Phil S. Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos, man. I want to explore the discharge system. It's my favorite. A.k.a. Friday El Messi. Yeah. A.k.a. Friday El Messi, MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Zaniel Benefield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. A.k.a. Joe Hookah. I dare you to smile to me at Mama Sushi. And then after I get wild drunk, nigga, I'm eating fried pickles listening to Hasan and Locksmith, nigga, was good. A.k.a. Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I'll replace your spinal column with one of Michael Beasley's straight backs. Now you are really fucking lit. Candy, whip up that water. We fucking thugging on this side. I'm tired of fucking holding my tongue. Fuck this administration. I'm off this. I'm out here. Big time. A.k.a. open your motherfucking Minister Cabin. You know who it is, nigga. It's the Zed, man. It's kind of A.k.a. Rico Sabrosa. A.k.a. Baby Newport 2 for 5 niggas got garbage down the way. A.k.a. Nino Brown shut the car down. A.k.a. live from Bagel Cafe at Bay Plaza. Once again, it's your boy, the East Tremont Stevie B. I wanna be the one your DD is sucking. A.k.a. pull up for 40. It's your boy, Barmelos Anthony. Bang! And the game is over. He's sleeping on the court. My God. Hey, mate. There's no more real rock stars anymore. Everybody's, rapping now. So I'm here to save the game. You know who it is. It's the plantains you've been over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Boofing little Debbie's at the bodega. Yo, man, listen. I'm usually in Target. Sometimes I'll be in Costco, bro. But if you see me in Target, my nigga, and I'm trying to boof something that I should probably put under the cart, don't offer your assistance, my nigga. I'm off the shits and I will attack. Approach me like a
like that.
You know what I'm saying?
He's got the power.
That's right. Approach me like a Ursa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Hasan, tírame la pinta, coño. ¿Qué lo que? Llegó el hijo de FIFA, el rey del Bronx. Llega a la pinta. You fake Kunevel. Oye, yo no ando buscando pleito, yo soy pacifista. Y lo que yo quiero decir con eso es que yo te exploto, te tiro de cabeza en el Pacific Ocean. Mamá huevo, dame mi banda, coño, me quité. Ya, episodio 909. Suck my dick from the back, motherfucker.
You know what it is? Shout out to the sponsor, shout out to Square Cash. And of course, be sure to check out the merch available at cottonbureau.com/stores/bodegas dash boys.
You know what I'm saying?
Cotton Bureau, just search for it. We got the shirts. It's available limited time now. Do not miss out. You'll be sick. The shirts is fire.
Sick, bro.
Shout out to Cotton Bureau with the hookup right
Told
there.
y'all niggas.
You know what I'm saying? Gang. You know what it is?
Yo.
Episode 109. We're going to come back from Boston. We're going to have Mad Beans. We'll do this again next week.
Holla.
We out.